Imagine you're watching a storm. Suddenly, a bright flash of lightning lights up the sky, and then a few seconds later, boom! Thunder shakes the air. But wait, lightning and thunder happen at the same time. So why do we see the lightning first? This is one of the most common weather experiences on Earth. Lightning flashes, and a few seconds later, thunder arrives. But the reason behind it involves something fascinating. The difference between the speed of light and the speed of sound. And once you understand this simple physics, you can actually calculate how far away a lightning strike is. First, let's understand what lightning actually is. Inside storm clouds, tiny ice particles and water droplets collide constantly. These collisions create huge electrical charges. Eventually, the electrical difference becomes so large that electricity suddenly jumps through the air. That giant electrical spark is lightning. Lightning can heat the surrounding air to around 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That incredible heat causes something dramatic. The air around the lightning bolt heats up instantly. Hot air expands very rapidly. Then it cools and contracts again. This rapid expansion creates a shock wave. That shock wave travels through the air as sound, and we hear that sound as thunder. So lightning and thunder are actually created at the same moment.
Here's where physics explains everything. Light travels incredibly fast. The speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. That's so fast that when lightning strikes, the light reaches your eyes almost instantly. But sound is much slower. The speed of sound in air is about 343 meters per second. So thunder takes time to travel from the lightning strike to your ears. That delay is why we see lightning first. This difference in speed creates a cool trick. You can actually measure how far away a lightning strike is. Here's how. When you see lightning, start counting seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then stop when you hear the thunder. Every 5 seconds represents roughly 1 mile of distance. So if you count 10 seconds, the lightning strike happened about 2 miles away. Sometimes thunder sounds like a loud crack. Other times, it rolls across the sky as a long rumble. This happens because lightning bolts are often several kilometers long. Different parts of the bolt are at different distances from you, so the sound arrives at slightly different times. Your ears hear this as a rolling thunder sound. Another interesting fact, even if lightning strikes 10 kilometers away, you still see it almost immediately. That's because light moves so fast that the delay is only about 0.00003 seconds. Your brain can't notice that delay, so the flash appears instantaneous. The lightning-thunder delay is also important for safety. If the time between lightning and thunder is less than 10 seconds, the storm is very close. Meteorologists call this the 30-30 rule. If thunder follows lightning within 30 seconds, you should move indoors immediately. So the next time you watch a storm and see lightning flash across the sky, remember that thunder happened at the exact same moment. You just hear it later. Because in the race between light and sound, light wins every time. If you enjoy discovering the physics hidden in everyday life, subscribe for more videos, because the world around us is full of amazing science, once you know where to look.